Okay, I want to do a trade with the bell icon up here, and I want to go down because I've seen this coin, so I just wanted to shoot this video to show you it. I've got one here with this coin here, it's 10%, so click on that. That opens up this trade. So as you can see, I've got 23 of these coins here, so I'm going to use the balance, and then I'm going to click on this bolt of lightning. And that's being done. So let's go over to my routes. There's the trade there in progress. So let's have a look what it's going to do. It's going to buy some Bitcoin with this Trezor coin on KuCoin. And then after it's done that, it's going to sell that amount of Bitcoin, whichever I got from this transaction, on HitBTC back for this Trezor coin. I don't know how you pronounce that XTZ coin. So we'll see how that goes. You don't need to refresh the screen. All you need to do is refresh that pop-up, because what it's going to do is it's actually doing this trade at the moment. So that number was white and it's gone to this bluey green, and then it will go to a dark blue, and then once that part's completed, it will then move on to the second part of the trade. So as you can see, it's completed the first part, that's gone to the dark blue, and it's already moved on to the second part of the trade. So that number 2's got to go dark blue as well. And remember, you don't have to wait around for these trades to actually complete. You can just start another trade. I'm only waiting around just for this video, just to show you the whole process. But you know, if you want to, you can actually carry out trade after trade and just start a trade and then move on to the next one. One thing I have noticed, that trades on HitBTC take that little bit longer to do. As you can see, it says 89.4% to do. So HitBTC, I don't know why, but the trades take that little bit longer to execute. As you see on KuCoin, that sort of went really quick. So it looks like my trade's complete. So all I need to do now is to refresh the screen to see what I've made. So I've actually made 3.7. It said I was going to make about 10%, but who cares? I've made 3.7%. Now, if you want to make trades like the one I just did, you can come and join us here at Johnny Blockchain. So if you go over to johnnyblockchain.com, the link's in the description. And once you're on this page, you can actually set up a 14-day free trial. So you'll get access to all of our arbitrage and all of our portfolio management and our trading system for 14 days completely free. And we'll also give you some free trading credits so that you can start trading straight away once you've connected your exchanges. Obviously, to join for free, just click on this button. You'll get this pop-up, and then from this drop-down menu, make sure you choose the starter account. Create your free account today, and I'll speak to you in another video. You have an amazing day and happy trading. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video. And once you've done that, remember to click on the bell icon. This will make sure that you get notified when I upload a new video. You have an amazing day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye now.